We have a Honda Accord 7th generation headlight package finished up today. These were built on brand new black housing style headlights. We can get the OEM style that's all chrome, or these black housing style, no additional charge. The Mini H1 by Xenon projectors were retrofitted inside, and the shrouds are the Mini Gatling Gun shrouds. Now the complete package does come with a Morimoto HID kit with a relay harness, which will take care of all the wiring. Make sure the ballasts are getting fresh power directly from the battery. You can order your package online at visionautoworks.com. If you have any questions, give us a call or an email.